Well, the question we're asking here on Headlines today is just for how long can the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Akhilesh Yadav, actually continue to deny that tag of Horror Pradesh? Jaskirat Singh Bava is joining us live from Aligarh this morning. Jaskirat, absolutely shocking details of this case. It seems like it's not just a case of caste crimes or honor killings, but even so-called empowered women are under threat in Uttar Pradesh.
Well, absolutely. Now, in this particular case over here in Aligarh, with this 47-year-old lady judge was sexually assaulted, we are given to understand that there was already a case of attempt to murder filed against these accused. So, in any case, there was an initial investigation which is going on. We believe this is also an extended family feud which resulted in this particular case of sexual assault. But the very fact that there are people who were already accused, there were investigation on against them,
right,
and they were able to go on, and such brazen attack took place within the safe confinements, or so to speak, safe confinements of her house. Really doesn't speak very well. There was a PAC constabulary deployment which is not very far from where she lives, and yet the assault was they were able to go ahead with this particular assault.
Jaskirat, just take us through the investigation right now. How many people have been arrested and what action is the police taking at this moment?
Well, as of the last information coming in, though the accused have been identified, they have not been arrested yet, as what we are given to understand. The courts are expected to open by 10 a.m. In just a couple of hours over here in Aligarh, and we will of course be getting more updated information about how far the investigation has gone. In this particular case, and the nature of this case is such that the statement of the person who has made the accusation needs to be, or the victim has to be recorded, and even that hasn't been done yet, because yesterday when the judge was at the hospital, she said that she was not well and she would not be able to give a statement. But right now the family has taken her back. She's not at the residence where she was attacked. She's with the family. The cops are trying to get in touch with her so they can record that statement.
Right.
But at the same time, having the name and the identification of the accused, they're also on the lookout of these accused who don't belong locally. They are from Farrukhabad and Bareilly respectively.
Jaskirat's on the story. Thanks for joining us live with those inputs. We'll be keeping an eye on all the updates and get you that story right through there. Thanks very much, Jaskirat.